Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to talk about use cases of robotic process automation in pharma industry. This is Abhinav Sabarwal and I am Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. If you are new here, make sure to click subscribe button and check out all the links we have mentioned in this video. You can find the links in comment section below. The pharmaceutical industry is under spotlight after COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. In fact, it's the sector that raises highest expectations with regard to keeping under control and minimizing coronavirus human toll. The main reason that we recommend the use of RPA in pharmaceutical companies is the largest number of routine tasks that make up the workflow profile. Consider need to duplicate notes on several systems to ensure consistent reporting of the work that is spread between more labs, the management of clinical trial data, or the recurring regulatory filings. So the first use case of RPA in pharma sector is to foster individualized marketing. Now, software robots can mimic medical companions for patients, providing relevant information tailored to what each individual patient needs to know. Intelligent automation allows the use of chatbots that can take one step further, the provision of customer-specific data, ensuring that patients get all the and only information that is relevant for them. By providing patients with real-time knowledge made to fit their own needs, bots act as virtual medical companions for them. This offers customers a personalized experience. The outcome, shorter response time, improved patient experience, and thus more engaged customers. As a result, the pharma company itself will achieve a higher standing. It is also stay realistic and not to assume that these chatbots or virtual assistants can function totally independently and fully replace the human staff. For one, AI chatbots' behavior is dependent on program scripts. Their lack of flexible judgment and their inability to process emotional cues call for twofold human intervention. IT experts to program the bots and pharma people whose degree of oversight can prevent serious accidents. Second use case for today is to facilitate clinical development. Now, this involves a process aimed at drug development and drug approval, which are underpinned by clinical trials. It thus has top priority in the value chain of life sciences. And unfortunately, it is also very costly. Software robots can perform menial tasks such as data entry or quality control very fast and with maximum accuracy. This efficiency bonus translates into significant savings for clinical trials. Additionally, bots can perform large-scale interpretation and processing of clinical trials data. Example, radiology reports, and thus facilitate identification of high-risk abnormalities in images. Third use case is amplifying sales representatives' responsiveness. There is stringent need for this since over 70% of the pharmaceuticals reps' time is spent on dull, time-consuming tasks such as data entry. As a result, their ability to discuss with customers and provide customer service is very much diminished. If bots are used to perform inventories, to record tracking customer feedback, to retrieve timely and accurate sales data, or to manage orders and inventory, sales reps could invest more energy in the more value-added tasks that requires human-to-human communication. Example, customer engagement and conversions. By doing this, RP enables enhanced sales efficiency. And last use case for in this video that we will be covering is streamlining compliance and reporting. The rising cost of compliance and the steep fines for failing to comply are the top arguments supporting the use of automation. The regulatory submission process and the robotic process automation are match made in heaven because preparing accurate reports require integrating data from multiple systems, and this is based on routine rule-based tasks. Additionally, these processes are laborious and their manual completion requires painstaking efforts. Consider only tracking document status or compiling records to create dossier, and you will definitely understand what we are talking about. Robotic process automation ensures consistency in data entry and audit readiness and quality control. According to one report, it is estimated that leveraging RP reduces process time by 65%. And Deloitte corroborates the fact that compliance is an important real-world use case of RP in pharma by raising the attention to regulators' growing interest in automation deployment for validation processes. Guys, it's time to conclude our video today, and I would say that the list of use cases of robotic process automation in pharmaceutical industry makes the point that RPA adoption is critical nowadays in context of COVID-19 pandemic. They all point towards increased productivity and efficiency, which results in significant cost reduction and improved patients' level of satisfaction. However, it's equally important to acknowledge and address the risks posed by disruptive technologies such as chatbot that might harm the patient by mistakenly downplaying the symptoms and hurt the company's reputation.
Guys, thank you for watching my video. We offer courses, RPA courses in Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, and RPA Business Analyst training. My number is on the screen, and if you like to do RPA training or learn one of the RPA tools like Blue Prism or UiPath, just give us a call or write to us. Call us and ask for a free career consultation. We offer online instructor-led training. So no matter where in the world you are, you can have personalized online training. We offer flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience, which is great for working professionals. We help you achieve RP certification. We assist you with your resume and interview preparation, and we offer placement assistance. We keep on releasing new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.